Hi there, students. He'll make it. Make it. Okay, this is a phrase with lots of different uses and meanings. Let me go through them. So, he's determined and he works hard, and I'm sure he's going to make it. I'm sure he's going to make it in the film industry. I'm sure he's going to succeed. So to make it, to be successful, he always wanted to become a doctor, and finally he has made it. To succeed, to manage, to pull it off. So, to make it, to be successful, he's finally made it to the big time. He always wanted to be a millionaire, and now he's made it. Okay, I'm not sure I can make it in time for today's lesson. If we don't rush, we're going to miss our train and we're not going to make it. We're not going to arrive on time, arrive before a deadline. The deadline was at midnight and I made it at 1 minute to midnight. Okay, so I was successful in arriving. We also used to make it, meaning to be present at an event. I don't think I can make it to tomorrow's class. I can't make it on Friday to the meeting. Yeah? It's sad that some people couldn't make it to my live stream yesterday. So to be able to be present at an event, yeah? He didn't make it. So either to arrive on time, yeah? I didn't make it. I was just too late. And then to make it here, to be present. And then another one as well. He's had a serious accident and he's in intensive care, but I think he's going to make it. Yeah. My grandfather's been really ill with COVID, but the doctors say he's going to make it. He's not going to die. He's going to live. He's going to succeed. Yeah. So yeah, he's not going to snuff it. Let's see. We can also use this expression "make it" when we want to change something. Give me 2 hamburgers. No, make it 3. So we're using this to change what we've said. Yeah, to change our opinion, to change the information. Let's see. Why don't we have this meeting tomorrow at 4 o'clock? No, make it 5 because I might be late. Yeah? So you're using this to change something. Particularly when I'm thinking of using this phrase, make it, in an order, in a restaurant or something like that. The waiter comes up and says, what do you want? Make it a large pizza and a bottle of beer, please. Yeah, that would work. No, make it 2 bottles of beer. I'm thirsty. Okay, to make it until something happens, to endure. So I had difficulty making it to the end of his speech because it was just so boring. To make it to the end, yeah, to make it to the final leg. So yes, to be successful in enduring it to the end. I don't know if I can make this much more. I don't think I can make it till the end at all. To make it, well, as I said, to be successful. But you could also use this with the idea of to achieve your goals. Yeah, I was determined to finish this today, and even though I worked until midnight, I made it. Also, you could make it with somebody, to have sex with someone. That's very informal. Did you make it with her? Yeah, to make it with somebody. So that's quite a lot of meanings. Let's see. So to be successful, he finally made it in show business. To succeed in reaching a place in time, I'm not sure I can make it before 3:30. The bus was about to leave, and I ran for all I was worth, and I just made it before the bus left. To be present at an event. I'd love to come to the party, but I can't make it. I've got to work. And then to survive an illness. I'm sorry, he's not going to make it. He's going to die. There's nothing I can do to help you. See if you can find a doctor who says he'll make it. No, the diagnosis is still the diagnosis. Okay. To change your mind, I want 6 of those. No, make it 10. It'll be that's more suitable. And then to make it with somebody, to have sex with somebody. They made it last night. I could hear them in the next room making it. And to endure until the end. I don't think I can make it much longer. This is just so boring. Or it's so cold out here, I can't make it anymore. I've just got to stop. So notice this is a really simple phrase, but I've given you a huge variety of meanings. Let's see, you're going to ask me about formality. All of this I would give something like a 4 in formality. These are informal uses. I think if you're going to write something semi-formal or formal, you need to find an alternative verb. So he made it in show business. He was successful in show business. I didn't make it to the bus on time. I didn't arrive on time. I can't make it to the party. I can't attend the party. I want 3. No, make it 4. I would like 3 of those. No, I think it would be better if we had 4. You need to use another phrase. So all of these are for formal, so for informal and semi-formal conversations. Yeah, I'm not sure I would write any of these meanings unless it was in a really informal note. So the video is finished. I've made it to the end. I've endured to the end. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To make it, make it.